This is fourth part for understanding factorization of quadratic expressions. Now the fourth condition is when quadratic term, the first term is positive and linear term, second term and the last term is negative. Now what does it mean? Now see, x square minus 7x minus 8. See, the quadratic term is positive and the last two terms are negative, linear and the constant. Same procedure, x square minus 7x minus 8, rewrite the question and write the journal term. Write the question below the journal term. Your quadratic coefficient is 1, linear coefficient is minus 7 and your constant c is equals to 8. Now see, I just have written b with the sign minus, but a and c I haven't written with the positive sign as well as the negative sign because I have considered both of them positive. Okay, now a multiplied by c, 1 multiplied by 8. The factors of 8 are 1, 8 and 2 and 4. Now the selection of factors, so I can have minus 7. I know that 8 minus 1 can give me 7 and I want minus sign should be here. So what I did, I placed the minus sign with the bigger number and the plus sign with the smaller number. So I can have minus 7, which is my b. Now I have written x square plus 1x minus 8x minus 8. Now x is common, x plus 1 and minus sign is common, 8 is common, 8 ones are 8, 8 ones are 8, x plus 1. Now see, both the brackets are same, so x plus 1 is common and I am going to be left with x minus 8. Now the center term, do you see the center term? That minus I am going to take the common. Okay, it doesn't matter if you switch the places. I will show you another question. Now 4x square minus 6x minus 4. Now here I can see the 2 is common among the terms, but I can also solve it without taking the common. It's another way. Now what I did, 4x square minus 6x minus 4, rewrite the question. Then again the algebraic quadratic expression, ax square plus bx plus c. 4x square minus 6x minus 4. A is our quadratic coefficient, b is equals to minus 6, our linear coefficient, and c is constant. Now see, I haven't written c with the sign. Now a multiplied by c is 16, 4 4s are 16. Now the factors of 16 are 1, 16, 2, 8, 4 and 4. Now I want minus 6. So I place the bigger number 8 with minus sign and 2 with the plus sign. So this is minus 6. Now my b has occurred. Now I am going to break the terms. 4x square minus 8x plus 2x minus 4. Now what is the HCF of 4 and 8? It is very simple. The HCF of 4 and 8 is 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So HCF is 4. Okay, 4 is the HCF, then plus. What is the HCF of 2 and 4? Definitely 2. 2 ones are 2 and minus 2. So x minus 2, x minus 2, my brackets are same, and 4x plus 2. Okay, now see, in the first case I have taken the plus sign first and the negative sign next time, and in this question I have taken minus sign, minus factor first and a positive factor in the second place. It doesn't matter, order changes of the factors does not matter. Now x minus 2 and 4x plus 2. Now in this part you can see something is more common between these two terms, and that is 2. So I have taken the 2 common out, rewrite the bracket as it is, then 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. Okay, now to write it properly, always write the number at the first place, then the variable terms, x minus 2 and 2x plus 1. This is the final answer. You can also solve this question by taking the common 2 at the first place. The question will be like this. Now 2 is the common, 2x square minus 3x minus 2. Then you will solve this one, you will have the same answer. Okay, now let's move for other example. Now x square minus 4x minus 12, x square minus 4x minus 12, rewrite the question, then write the general term ax square plus bx plus c, then x square minus 4x minus 12, a the quadratic coefficient 1, b minus 4 linear coefficient, and c is 12. Now again c, I haven't written the sign with the c. Now a multiplied by c, 112, 2, 6, 3, 4. Now I have chosen to get minus 4 is 6 minus 2, but I know that I want the 4 should be negative, so I place the bigger number with the minus sign and the smaller number with the plus sign. Okay, so x square plus 2x minus 6x minus 12, then x is common, x plus 2 minus 6 is common, 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, minus minus plus minus minus plus, so minus sign is common, x plus 2 are same, and I will be left with x minus 6. Now I have done with the order changing of the factors. In this part, plus 2x minus 6x, I have replaced plus 2x with minus 6x and minus 6x with plus 2x. Now here x is common, x minus 6, then plus is common in the sign, so and 2 is common, x minus 6. So x minus 6, x plus 2, only the order has changes, and the answer is same. And here we have taken minus sign common, here we have taken plus sign common. Okay, it doesn't matter. Now see the next part. The next part, 4y square minus 8y minus 21. Rewrite the question, write the general term, the quadratic coefficient, the linear coefficient, and the c without the sign. So a multiplied by c is 84. Now see, it's very long factors you have to find. 6 times 14, I have found that minus 14 and plus 6 can give me minus 8, but you can do it also with the prime factorization. Okay, 242s are 221s are 37s are 71s are 7. Now you have to multiply the numbers in such a way that you can get minus 8. Now 2 3s are 6 and 2 3s are 6 and 2 7s are 14. Minus 14 plus 6 can give me minus 8. Because you want minus 8, so put the minus sign with the bigger number. So what I did, 4y square plus 6y minus 14y. Now what is the HCF of 4 and 6? 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, HCF is 2. So 2 is common, y is here, 2y plus 3, minus sign is common, as both the last terms are with minus sign, minus is common. Then 14 and 21, what is the HCF? Definitely 7. Okay, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21. So 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21, minus minus plus, minus minus plus. Now see, both the brackets are same, so 2y plus 3 and 2y minus 7. So the factors of 4y minus 8y minus 21 is 2y plus 3, 2y minus 7. You can also try the same question by replacing the factor places. Okay, so this was condition number 4, in which the last two terms are negative. Now we are going to discuss the last condition, that is the fifth condition. Okay, for fifth condition, please see part 5.